Hello, my dear students. Welcome to today's session on preparation of alkenes. After going through geometrical isomerism in alkenes because of restricted rotation around the carbon-carbon double bond, they went for special type of isomerism known as geometrical isomerism. Now, today we discuss a few methods of preparation of alkenes. Totally, we have four methods. We prepare alkenes from alkynes, from alkyl halides, from vicinal dihalides, and from alcohols. Let us study in brief one by one. First is from alkyne, triple bond. Always in 11th class, if I speak alkenes means it is a simple alkene with only one double bond. And if I speak alkyne, that is simple alkyne which contains only one triple bond. Complex and the more number of double triple bond examples are not there for 11th and 12th. So we have taken a very simple example of what alkyne. First member, simplest alkyne, that is ethine. This is what ethine or acetylene. Kindly correct it. This is not ethylene. This is acetylene. Now, in the presence of Lindlar's catalyst. Lindlar's catalyst is a special catalyst where after the addition of 1 mole of hydrogen, reaction automatically stops. So once again in chemistry, more important thing is what? Conditions. So depending upon the reaction conditions, we expect the products, or after the products formation, we find the root, under these conditions like that. So in the presence of Lindlar's catalyst, so when the hydrogen is added, so one H on this carbon, other H on this carbon, it is a simple example for addition reaction. So therefore, alkyne to alkene, ethine to ethene. Right. Now, this is a propyne. This is a propyne. Again, in the presence of Lindlar catalyst, add 1 mole of H2. One H on this carbon, other H on this carbon. Earlier, it was a CH3C. Now, after adding one hydrogen here, CH3CH. Then here CH, one more H, CH2. So, CH3CH double bond CH2. That is what? Propene. So, in this way, we prepare alkenes from the alkynes. What is Lindlar catalyst here? Lindlar's catalyst is palladium along with barium sulfate in the presence of a quinoline, because Lindlar is a special catalyst that allows the hydrogenation of an alkyne to stop after 1 mole of hydrogen is added. How it will stop? Because most amines, this comes under amine category, most amines and the compounds containing sulfur reduce the activity of catalyst or poison them. So once you take a quinoline with this will favor the reaction. Now further addition is very difficult because quinoline acts as a poison for the this catalyst. So automatically soon after addition reaction stops. So what is required from alkyne to the alkene? Conversion is over, purpose is over, and stops. Right. Next method is what? Alkenes are prepared from the alkyl halides. Alkyl halide, CH3, CH2, Cl, any X is anything you can take. X is halogene. So this is what? Alkyl ethyl chloride or chloroethane. If it is Cl, bromoethane, chloroethane, iodoethane, fluoroethane, all those are called alkyl halides. Now here, in the presence of alcoholic QH and mild heating required, what happens here? This is called alpha carbon atom. Why it is called as alpha carbon atom? So here we have made some notations. Carbon atom to which halogen is attached, that is called alpha. Next carbon is called as beta. Next carbon is called as gamma, and so on. So alpha carbon means to which carbon halogen is attached, that carbon is called as alpha. So from the alpha, halogen goes out. And from the beta, hydrogen goes out. Therefore HX will go out. So when HX will go out, to maintain the valency, double bond is created here. So in this way, creation of double bond and alkene is formed. Okay. So alkenes can be prepared from alkyl halides by treating with alcoholic potash. This reaction removes a molecule of HX and therefore the reaction is called dehydrohalogenation. See, this is the removal of hydrogen and the removal of halogen. So hydrohalogen are removed. Halogenation, adding halogen. Dehalogenation, removal of halogen. So here two are removed. One is hydrogen, one is halogen. So hydrohalogenation means adding H and the halogen. Here both are removed. So it is called as a dehydrohalogenation. Nature of halogen atom and the alkyl group determine rate of reaction, speed of reaction. Okay, depend upon the halogen and the alkyl group. It is observed that for halogens the rate is iodine is more than the bromine than the chlorine. Okay, that means if it is iodine, reaction is very fast because bond length is more, bigger size you can remove easily. Okay, then in the case of alkyl, tertiary is more reactive than the secondary than the primary, because if it is tertiary, so what happens? Tertiary means what? More and the more alkyl groups are there, and alkyl groups are what? Their nature is electron donating nature. So when the electrons are donated, so a lot of electron density is created on the carbon atom, thereby removal of the other part, that is hydrogen part, becomes very easy. Therefore together hydrogen and halogen are removed quickly, then ethane is formed. Okay, right. This reaction is also called beta elimination. See, in this reaction, the hydrogen atom is eliminated from beta carbon atom. Okay, so this is the beta carbon atom, right? Therefore, this reaction is called as what? Beta elimination. One more name is there. This is called dehydrohalogenation, also called as what? Beta elimination, because hydrogen is removed from the beta area. So that means this, out of these three, one H will go. Hydrogen attached to the beta carbon are called as a beta hydrogen. Hydrogen attached to the alpha carbon are called as alpha hydrogen. Already from alpha, halogen is going. Therefore, they will not, hydrogen will not take part. Only these will take part. Therefore, it is called beta elimination. Okay. Now, one more from vicinal dihalides. Okay, what are vicinal dihalides? Vicinal dihalides means what? Halogen atom attached to the two different carbon atoms, they are called as vicinal dihalides. By chance, if this pair is there on the same, they are called as gem halides. Okay, if two halogen atoms attached to the same carbon, they are called as geminal. If two halogen atoms are attached to two different carbon, that two adjacent side by side, they are called as vicinal dihalides. So because two are on different carbon, adjacent carbon, so this is example for what? Vicinal dihalide. So 1,2-dibromoethane with zinc dust. So zinc will take both bromine and zinc bromide, automatically ethene forms. Same case here also. Okay, zinc dust, zinc is taking both bromine, vicinal dihalide. Okay, then propene forms. Very simple reaction. Okay. Now this is what? This is called preparation of alkenes from the alcohols. Okay. Alcohol is attached to the alpha carbon atom. Okay. Now the problem is, from this carbon OH goes, hydrogen goes from the again beta only. So this will go. For this removal we use this water acid. So conc H2SO4 nature is, it acts as a dehydrating agent, means which removes the water. So water removal is facilitated by the this acid. Okay, therefore because water is removed, it is dehydrated by acid. Therefore this reaction is called as acidic dehydration. So the what is the name method? What is the name? What is the method name? Preparation of alkenes by the alcohols by the process known as, which process? Dehydration by acid or acidic dehydration. Okay, so this is removed, automatically alkene. Automatically alkene. Okay. Now, so till now what we studied? We studied the preparation of what? Alkenes. Totally we have four methods. Okay. This is the last method. Okay. Now in the tomorrow's class we study property part. Till then, have a nice time. Thank you and all.